Hey guys, Rich aka the Happy Collector here. Time to do a little sipping. And ripping. 2020 Select Baseball comes 12 cards to a blaster, a total of 3 packs. Let's see what we can get. I have to say, typically I don't buy non-licensed products, but this Select Baseball is on fire. I mean, these cards are beautiful. I mean, they did such a good job with them. You can find them in retail. They're $19.99 plus tax. I got these from an LCS for 25 bucks. $4 markup, not bad. This auto is a nice surprise here. It's 112 out of 209, not too shabby. It's cool Mike Trout. And this Chris Bryant is pretty awesome. It's 1 out of 50. Very cool. What you want to look for are the parallels. It says rookie Zach Gallen right here. See, this is a parallel right here. I mean, look at that card. I mean, it's even better looking in person. If you're not sure if you have a parallel number, look for the prism back here. Additionally, with select cards, they have different levels, Premier, Concourse, and so forth. You can see that on the back of the card. See, this says Premier, and the back of this card doesn't say anything. I'm incredibly impressed by these cards. I wish Panini had the license because these are beautiful. These are a definite buy for me. Please hit that subscribe button. I'd truly appreciate it. Also, like and share. Thank you for watching. Happy collecting and good luck.